are we preparing today?
We are preparing lentil stew.
Lentil stew.
Yeah.
Fantastic. There is the bacon.
Garlic.
There's the garlic. Onions. Carrots.
Potatoes. In cubes. And pumpkin. In cubes.
Pumpkin cubes.
Then we have the lentils, which are the main ingredients.
Here are the lentils.
I soak them in cold water for 24 hours. See, these are already like bigger because they absorb all the water.
I see, so they've absorbed all the water.
This helps you to cook it faster.
You soak the lentils before you cook them or they will explode.
Ingredient that can be optional. Rice.
2 spoons of rice for a big bowl of lentils.
Yeah. And seasoning. Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Black pepper. Salt, oregano, cumin, and chili powder.
Chili powder. All we need for a fantastic lentil stew.
At the moment we are cooking the bacon until it gets colored.
This could be sausage, beef, meat, any type.
Yes, any kind of protein, even chicken.
Ooh.
If you don't need beef.
What about chorizos?
With chorizo.
Yeah.
Ooh, with chorizo would be amazing.
Whoa.
Actually, that is the traditional recipe.
This needs to fry for 5 minutes. So we want a crispy bacon. Most of the ingredients will be stuffed, and this will be a hard, crispy texture to complement it.
Let's have the other ingredients. Now, I will add the garlic, which is finely chopped. Just the taste of the garlic in the oil. Once it starts taking color, we add in the onions.
Half of 1 onion goes in now.
Once it starts being a bit soft, let's add the carrots. See how colorful this is in the moment.
A very colourful dish.
Yes. Pepper, a little bit of salt, and then
all of the lentils going in on top of the carrots.
we're gonna mix it.
There it goes.
Yes. So now we are adding these 2 ingredients at the same time. I was waiting for this to boil, and also we need to add some more salt and more pepper.
Handful of oregano.
Then cumin, which is like half a spoon. Touch of chili powder.
2 cubes of beef stock here.
I will just add them here. And now I will add the potatoes and the pumpkin.
1 cup of water on top of the pumpkins and potatoes.
Just to make sure they are all completely covered in water or in the stock. And that's it for now. Boil it for 20 minutes.
This is 20 minutes in.
I will just add 1 more cup of water with the rice.
The rice needs to cook for 10 minutes.
And I'm gonna just a bit of salt, a bit more cumin, oregano, 10 more minutes, and we are ready. After 10 minutes, we cook the rice, and this is done. You wanna taste?
I'd love to taste. I've got a bowl here.
It tastes nice.
Delicious.
Yeah.